Good morning, friends. In my last video, I explained you work, and today I will explain you power and energy. So in my last video, I explained you work done is equal to force and the displacement. When the displacement is in the direction of the force, and when the displacement is inclined in the force direction, then it is equal to F into cos theta into the distance. Cos theta is the angle between the displacement and the direction of the force. Now in the case when something falls from certain height on the ground, what will be work done? If something from A falls on the ground at a point B, here distance covered is the height and the force is the force of the gravity. Again listen, if anything falls from certain height on the ground, the distance will be the height and the force will be the force of the gravity. Then you know work done is equal to force into distance. Here force is gravity, that is m into g, and the distance is height. So the work done against the force of gravity is equal to mgh. Now the unit of the work done is 1 joule. So here, if 1 Newton force give a displacement of 1 meter to the object, it is equal to 1 joule. Now here, h is very important, that is height from where the object falls to the ground. Now this height, whether a object comes directly from a certain height to the ground or through the stairs, height will remain same. Because in the formula distance, that is displacement, here it is a height, and this height may be if a object falls directly from certain height to the ground or it comes through the stairs. Now come to the power. Actually, what is power? That is the rate of the work. That is rate of the work done. So power is equal to work done upon time. It means work done unit is joule, power unit is 1 watt. If we take time as 1 second, then we will say that 1 joule work is done in 1 second is equal to 1 watt. Again listen, power is equal to work done upon time. Unit of the work done is 1 joule. If we take time 1 second, so 1 joule work done in 1 second is equal to 1 watt. So power, that is the rate of doing work. Now we know power is equal to force into displacement, and this S is upon time, that is the S upon t, where S is the displacement, t is the time, that is equal to who? That is the average velocity. See, work done upon time. So work done is force into the distance, time is t. So power is equal to F into S upon t, and this S upon t, that is the displacement upon time, that is equal to the average velocity. So we say that the power is equal to force into average velocity. So power is equal to work done upon time, and also power is equal to force into velocity. Now very important thing is energy. In my last video I explained you, whenever physical work is done at the body, there is a loss of energy. So the point is that whenever work is done by the body, there is a loss of the energy. And this loss of the energy is directly proportional to the work done. So energy means energy of the body is the capacity to do work. Energy of the body is the capacity to do work. How much work a body can do. So the point is that when body do some work, there is loss of energy. But what happens when work is done on the body? Again listen. When body do some work, there is a loss of energy. But when work is done on the body, energy increases. So we say that whenever work is done, there is a transfer of the energy. Here I am not going to explain you transfer of the energy, that is kinetic energy and the potential energy, that I will deal with some other videos. So here it is the point that the energy is the capacity to do work. When body do some work, there is a loss of energy. When work is done on the body, energy increase. So whenever work is done, there is a transfer of the energy. And you know energy is the kinetic energy and the potential energy, and there is transfer of energy. So that I will explain in my next videos. Now the unit of energy is, SI unit is 1 joule, but serious unit is 10 power 7 watt. That 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 watts. Now how the electron volt energy is measured? Electron volt energy means electron particles, they take energy or lose energy. Then how you will measure the electron energy? So energy of the electronic particle is measured in electron volt. That is small e and v. That is electron volt. And 1 electron volt is equal to charge of the electron in 1 volt. And charge of the electron is 1.6 10^19 coulombs in 1 volt. So we say that 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10^19 joules. So here it is work, power and energy. I explained you each and everything regarding work done, power and energy. In my next video I will explain you different types of the energy. Okay, so it will be clear to you. Now if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.